Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. I am Nigar Sultana. Have come to you with an interesting topic and a new item. Both of the students of first year and second year will do the passage. Students of first year will do the passage from Unit 5, Lesson 3, and the students of second year will do the passage from Unit 13, Lesson 3. Okay girls, I think you have understand the point. Students of first year will do the passage from Unit 5, Lesson 3, and students of second year will do the passage from Unit 13, Lesson 3. Okay? Now, at first, I am reading the passage and then I will solve the summary and then I will solve some MCQ question. Okay? At first, follow the follow your textbook. A craft work is an applied form of art, a social and cultural product reflecting the inclusive nature of folk imagination. A craft work which usually doesn't bear the signature of its maker retains a personal touch. Then we look at a 30-year-old Nakshi Katha. We wonder at its motifs and designs that point to the artistic ingenuity and the presence of the maker in it. The fact that we don't know her name or any other details about her doesn't take anything away from our appreciation of the artist. Indeed, the intimate nature of the Katha and the tactile feeling it generates animate the work and make it very inviting. Then, a craftwork is shaped by the interaction of individual creativity and community aesthetics, utility functions and human values. It is distinguished by its maker's desire to locate himself or herself in the wider and ever-changing cultural aspirations of the community and subsequently of the market. But even when the market is an important factor, community aesthetics remains the factor determining the form and content of the craftwork. The exquisite terracotta dolls from Dinajpur dating back to early 1940s that form a part of the Bangladesh National Museum's collections were mostly bought from village fairs by some patron. They were no doubt meant to be consumer items, but the dolls reflect community aesthetics in such a manner that the market has not been able to impose its own preferences on them. Okay? Now, summary of the two para. What will be the summary of the two para? If we understand the summary, then the passage will be easy. The passage will be easy to understand. Summary: a craftwork reflects folk imagination. This imagination and design depend on the market's makers' choice and lifestyles. Nakshi Katha is such a wonder. It is very appealing and inviting. It reflects human values and aspirations. It is designed based on the utility function and preferences and market demands. Terracotta doll is another example of craft. Okay, then next para. A craftwork thus is a dynamic object, always evolving and always abreast of changing tastes and preferences. It also represents a way of life and a cultural flavor. Therefore, changes in lifestyle and material conditions are expected to have their impact on craftworks and their production. But certain forms, shapes, styles, and aesthetic preferences change little over time, suggesting that a craftwork can function as a stable signifier of community values and desires over time. Mechanical and mass production take away this feeling of assurance and stability and the sense of continuity that the handmade craft work evolves. In the clash between expectations of pure handmade craft works and the market need of mechanically produced craft works, two contesting views emerge. On the other hand, traditionalists contend that the society needs to preserve the authenticity and naturalness of craft works and their association with domesticity and environment. And on the other, promoters of machine production argue that the machine has helped restore the appeal of the crafts due to their cheaper production cost. Last para. There are no easy solutions to the problems that craftworks face in our time. Crafts that are disappearing can and should be revived, even where the machine has made the prospect difficult. And crafts that are still practiced can be safeguarded and made to consolidate their position further. This can be done by providing grants, loans, assistance and other support to the producers and helping them find a comfortable customer base. But more importantly, craftwork can be branded and successfully marketed throughout the country and beyond, as there are always buyers and users of handmade products who feel a strong attraction towards such cultural products. Okay, then summary of the two para. What will be the summary? Girls, follow me. A craftwork is a dynamic object. A craftwork reflects changing tastes and preferences of people. However, certain forms, shapes, styles and aesthetic preferences do not change with the change of time. Thus, it is a stable signifier of community values. The traditionalist and mechanical production come into conflict in terms of naturalness and authenticity and demand of consumers. Some crafts are on the wane. However, we have to assist the makers to further their interest in craft. Okay, these are the summaries. We have solved here two summary. Okay, girls, have you remembered summary? The question here will be 10 marks. Okay, now next item, MCQ. We are going to solve some questions from the passage, some important questions from the passage. Okay, what does craftwork stand for? Options are a divine art, a reflection of man's desire, an expression of human aesthetic sense, a reflect of human antagonism. The correct answer is an expression of human aesthetic sense. Okay, then number 2. What does the word motif in the passage refer to? Options are A. Aftermath, B. Intention, C. Function, D. Idea. The correct answer is number D. Idea. Number 3. What does the word ingenuity in the passage refer to? Number A. Dexterity. Number 2. Prolific. Number C. Sagacity. Number D. Laxity. Correct answer is dexterity. Number 4. What does a craftwork cease to bear? Options are community aesthetics, heritage of the community, name of the maker, motives. What will be the correct answer? Okay, what does a craftwork cease to bear? Community aesthetics, heritage of the community, name of the maker, motives. Correct answer is name of the maker. What is true about the influence of market on a craftwork? Options are market remains a dominant factor. Number B, community aesthetics outsmarts market preference in its appeal. Community aesthetics remains dormant in its appeal. Number D, market preferences become as deciding factor. The correct answer is number B. That means community aesthetics outsmarts market preference in its appeal. Number 6. How old is Nakshikatha? A. 30 years, 40 years, C. 50 years, D. Unknown. I think all of you understand the answer. The correct answer is number D. Unknown. Number 7. Which of the following is the correct meaning of tactile? Number A. Tangible. Number B. Tangible. Number C. Amicable. Number D. Flexible. Correct answer is number B. Tangible. Number 8. It generates, animate the work and make it very inviting. Here inviting means number A. Appealing. Number B. Alluring. Number C. Surprising. Number D. Promising. Correct answer is alluring. Next, number 9. Which of the following statements is true about market of Nakshikatha? Number A. The market of Nakshikatha is necessary. Number B. The market of Nakshikatha is unnecessary. Number C. The market of Nakshikatha is good. Number D. The market of Nakshikatha does not matter. Correct answer is number C. The market of Nakshikatha is good. Number 10. In the passage, what are the main ideas presented? Number A. The definition of art. Number B. The use of craft works in Bangladesh. Number C. Craftwork and art in our time. Number D. Terracotta and Nakshikatha. Okay, I think you are confused with B and C, but the correct answer is B. The use of craftworks in Bangladesh. Okay, then number 11. A craftwork can function as a signifier of community. Number A. Stable. Number B. Unstable. Number C. Unstably. And number D. Stable. Okay, correct answer stable. Number 12. What is revived? Number A. Survived. Options are number A. Survived. Number B. Survived. Number C. Survival. Number D. Several. Correct answer is survived. Number 13. Assurance means number A. Surety. Number B. Ensure. Number C. Sure. Number D. Safety. Correct answer is surety. Number 14. The word aesthetic means number A. Ugly. Number B. Beautiful. Number C. Fat. Number D. Distant. Correct answer aesthetic means, you know, correct answer is beautiful. That means number B. Okay, number 15. What does a craftwork present? Number A. A cultural flavor. Number B. A cultural heritage. Number C. Culture. Number D. Heritage. What does a craftwork represent? Correct answer is A. A cultural flavor. Number 16. Which is the correct meaning of tactile? Below. Number A. Tangible. Tangible. Number B. Tangible. Number C. Touchable. Number D. Sensible. Correct answer is A. Tangible. Next question. Number 17. The best synonym of aesthetics is beauty. Number B. Artistic. Number C. Strategic. Number D. Divine. The best synonym of aesthetic is number A, beauty. The word number 18, the word appreciation means A, respect, B, hearty reception, C, welcome, D, refusal. Correct answer is hearty reception. Number 19, what is the factor of a craft work? Number A, social values, number B, market, number C, human values, number D, creativity. Correct answer is market. Number 20, which is more important regarding a craft work? Options are creativity, dynamism, community aesthetics and market. Correct answer is number C, community aesthetics. Number 21, what is the main purpose of the author in the passage? Number A, options are number A, to inform about folk music, number B, to inform about the culture of Bangladesh, number C, to inform about the lifestyle of Bangladesh, number D, to inform about the changing tastes and preferences. Okay, correct answer is number D, to inform about the changing tastes and preferences. Number 22, what does the word aspiration in the text refer to? A, despair, B, expectancy, C, distress, D, anguish. Correct answer is expectancy. Number 23, what does the word authentic refer to? Number A, unreal, B, mock, C, genuine, D, pseudo. Correct answer is number C, genuine. 24, how is craft work? A, static, B, dynamic, C, slow, D, fixed. Correct answer is dynamic. Next, number 25. What does craft work represent? Girls, we have done many questions of MCQ because the passage is important. So, we have done the passage, we have done MCQ a lot. What does craft work present? Number A, mechanical and mass production, the way of life and cultural flavor, way of folk culture. Number D, culture of poor people. Correct answer is the way of life and cultural flavor. That means number B. Okay, number 26. Aspiration means number A, longing. Sorry, excuse me. Aspiration means longing, eagerness, goal, ambition. Correct answer is longing. Number A. Number 27. The touch of Nakshikatha creates a or an number A, aesthetic feeling, number B, earnest desire, number C, sublime feeling, number D, tactile sensation. The touch of a Nakshikatha creates a tactile sensation. That means correct answer is D. Number 28. The subject of a craft work is decided by the number A, community aesthetics, number B, market, number C, craftsman, number D, community. The correct answer is number A. That means community aesthetics. 29. The word dynamic means A, torpid, number B, energetic, number C, dull, number D, sluggish. Correct answer is energetic. Number 30. Which of the following sentences is correct? Number A craft work always bears the signature of its maker. Number B, a craft work always bears the signature of its buyer. Number C, a craft work sometimes bears the signature of its maker. Number D, a craft work never bears the signature of its maker. Okay, the correct answer is number A, A craftwork always bears the signature of its maker. 31. The word generate refers to number A, create, number B, maintain, number C, mark, number D, include. Correct answer is create. That means number A. Now 32. What is the opposite word of evolve? Number A, develop, number B, promote, number C, decrease, number D, unstable. Correct answer is number C, decrease. Okay, girls, next number 33. The best synonym of aesthetics is number A, fine arts, number B, craftwork, number C, culture, number D, custom. Okay girls, the correct answer is number A, fine arts. Number 34. Which one of the following is a craftwork? Number A, nakshikatha, number B, ornament, number C, utensil, number D, spectacles. Okay girls, I think all of you have understood the correct meaning. Number A, nakshikatha. Number 35. Question, follow the question. Dash objects are craftworks. A, fashionable, ugly, decorative, oars. Correct answer is decorative. Okay, then the sentence is decorative objects are craftworks. Number 36. The authenticity and dash of craftworks should be preserved. Options are number A, naturalness, number B, privacy, number C, impurity, number D, dynasty. Correct answer is naturalness, that means number A. Number 37. How is a craftwork shaped? Through communal creativity, through individual creativity, through nation's creativity, number D, through artistic creativity. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is through individual creativity. Number 38. How is a craftwork formed? Number A, by the interaction of individual creativity. Number B, by community aesthetics. Number C, by utility functions and human values. Number D, all of the above. The correct answer of 38 number question, how is a craftwork formed? Correct answer is all of the above. Okay. Understand? Next, number 39. From where did National Museum collect terracotta dolls? From number A, Dhaka, number B, Dhamrai, number C, Dinajpur, and number D, Dakeshwari. Okay. Correct answer is number C, Dinajpur. Okay, then number 40. Significance is a or an adjective, phrase, adverb, noun. Correct is noun. 41. Crafts that are being lost should be number A, abolished, number B, annulled, number C, revived, number D, destroyed. Correct answer is revived. Number 42. A craftwork can do work as a steady signifier of dash over time. Communal riot. Number B, communal violence. Number C. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. Students, in the last video, I had explained up to MCQ number 41. And in this video, I am going to continue with the rest of them. Okay? So, that was the first part of this lecture. And this is the second part of this lecture. Okay? Number, we were going to solve MCQ. Okay. Number 42. A craft work can do work as a steady signifier of dash over time. Options are number A, communal riot, number 2, communal violence, number C, community values and desires, number D, community. Correct answer is number C, community values and desires. Okay, then number 43. The word ingenuity can be replaced by number A, beauty, number B, inaptness, number C, originality, number D, inability. Okay, the correct answer is originality. Number 44. The opposite word of artistic is number A, ugly, number B, fall, number C, beauty, number D, desire. Okay girls, I think you already know the answer of artistic. So, the correct answer is number A, ugly. The opposite word is ugly. Number 45. The word exquisite means extremely beautiful and delicate. Number B, extremely ugly. Number C, extremely expensive. Number D, extremely fragile. The correct answer is number A, extremely beautiful and delicate. Number 46. The word revive refers number A, raise from decline, number B, raise from cave, number C, raise from family, number D, none of these. Correct answer is raise from decline. Number 47. In the passage, what are the main ideas presented? Number A, the definition of art. Number B, the use of craft works in Bangladesh. Number C, craft work and art in our time. The number D, terracotta and Nakshikatha. Correct answer is craft work and art in our time. Okay, then number 48. Which of the following is the correct meaning of tactile? Number A, tangible. Number B, tangible. Number C, amicable. Number D, flexible. Number B, correct answer is number B, tangible. Number 49. The word motive in the passage refers to number A, outcome. Number B, intention. Number C, function. Number D, idea. Correct answer is number B, intention. Okay, then number 50. Which of the following statement is true about market of Nakshikatha? Number A, the market of Nakshikatha is necessary. Number B, the market of Nakshikatha is unnecessary. Number C, the market of Nakshikatha is good. The market of Nakshikatha does not matter. Correct answer is here, the market of Nakshikatha does not matter. How old is 51 number? How old is Nakshikatha? Number A, 30 years, B, 40 years, 50 years and unknown. Correct answer is unknown. 52. A craft work is usually an artwork done by A famous artist, B, an anonymous creator, number C, an organization, number D, a business house. Okay, correct answer is an anonymous creator. Number 53. Utility factor plays a vital role in the craft works. Do you agree? Number A, agree. Number B, disagree. Number C, don't know. Number D, differ. Okay, correct answer is agree. Number 54. Craft work refers to A product by handicraft, an imaginative work of art. Number C, an art related to the sense of touch. Number D, the combination of art and culture. Correct answer is number B, an imaginative work of art. 55. A Nakshi Katha, and A number, an old Katha, B a new Katha, C a Katha with artistic design, number D a very costly Katha. Correct answer is number C, a Katha with artistic design. Number 56. The word appreciation stands for A. Knowledge, B. Disfavor, C. Admiration, D. Delight. Correct answer is admiration. Number 57. According to this text, inclusive means gigantic, B. Narrow, C. Supreme, bold. Sorry girls. According to this text, number 57. According to this text, inclusive means gigantic, B. Narrow, C. Supreme, D. Broad. Correct answer is C. Supreme. 58. A craftwork represents dash of society. Human value. A. Number 1. Human values. Number 2. Women values. Number 3. Development. Number 4. Work. Correct answer is human values. 59. What could be the closest meaning for inclusive in the first sentence? Number 1. Overall. Number 2. Exclusive. Number 3. Separate. Number 4. Obstructive. Correct answer is number 1. Overall. Number 60. Intimate in the text could be replaced by innermost, distant, familiar, unknown. Correct answer is innermost. 61. The best synonym of aesthetic is number 1. Artistic, strategical, number 3. Aesthetic, number 4. Celestial. Correct answer is aesthetic. Number 62. The word exquisite refers to subtle, obvious, different, secret. Correct answer is subtle. Number 63. Usually there is no subscribed originator in a craft work. Number 1. Valueless, authority, creator, appreciation. Correct answer is authority. 64. There is no way to know about the creator of number 1. Human. Number 2. Nakshi Katha. Number 3. Craft work. Number 4. Universe. Correct answer is there is no way to know about the creator of Nakshi Katha. What is 65 number? What is Nakshi Katha famous for? Options are given in the next page. Number 1, for its history. Number 2, for its exclusive design. Number 3, for its made by women. And number 4, for its artistic and aesthetic aspects. Correct answer is number 4, for its artistic and aesthetic aspects. Okay girls, 66. There is a printing mistake here, so I am going to omit it. Come to next number 67. Nakshi Katha has been found, number 1, in the British Museum. Number 2, in the Bangladesh National Museum. Number 3, in the theatre. Number 4, in Sundarbans. Correct answer is in the Bangladesh National Museum. Number 68. The purpose of the author of this passage is to show the picture of British Museum, to describe the life of the people around Dinajpur. 3. To highlight artistic and aesthetic work about Nakshi Katha. Number 4. To describe its history. Correct answer is to highlight artistic and aesthetic work about Nakshi Katha. 69. Why do people love Nakshi Katha? Number 1, for its history. Number 2, for its colorful background. Number 3, for its artistic and aesthetic aspects. Number 4, for its women values. Correct answer is for its artistic and aesthetic aspects. Number 70. Where was Nakshi Katha found at first? Options are Dinajpur, Rangpur, Rajshahi, Kumilla. Correct answer is Dinajpur. Next question 71. When was Nakshikatha found at first? Number 1, the early 1940s. Number 2, 1940. Number 3, 1840. Number 4, 1980. Correct answer is the early 1940s. 72. A craftwork is usually an artwork done by a famous artist, an anonymous creator, an organization, a business house. Correct answer is an anonymous creator. In 73, in the passage, what are the main ideas presented? Number 1, the definition of art. Number 2, the use of craftworks in Bangladesh. Number 3, craftwork and art in our time. Number 4, terracotta and Nakshikatha. Correct answer is number 2, the use of craftworks in Bangladesh. 74. Which of the following statements is true about market of Nakshikatha? The market of number 1, the market of Nakshikatha is necessary. Number 2, the market of Nakshikatha is unnecessary. The market of Nakshikatha is good. The market of Nakshikatha does not matter. Correct answer is number 3, the market of Nakshikatha is good. Number 75. How old is Nakshikatha? 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, unknown. Okay, correct answer, unknown. 76. Dash, it generates animate work and make it very inviting. Here inviting means appealing. Number 2, alluring. Number 3, surprising. Number 4, promising. Correct answer is alluring. Number 77. When were terracotta dolls seen in Dinajpur? In 1940. Number 2, in the beginning of 1940s. Number 3, in the middle of 1940. Number 4, at the last of 1940. Correct answer is number 2, in the beginning of 1940s. What does not bear a craftwork? What? Number 1, heritage. 2, motifs. 3, community aesthetics. 4, name of the maker. Correct answer is name of the maker. Okay, then 79. The touch of a Nakshikatha creates an A. Aesthetic feeling, earnest desire, sublime feeling, tactic sensation. Correct answer is tactic sensation. The subject a craftwork is decided by the community aesthetics, market, craftsman, community. Okay, I repeat the options. Number 1, community aesthetics. Number 2, market. Number 3, craftsman. Number 4, community. Correct answer is community aesthetics. 81. Which of the following sentence is correct? Number 1, a craftwork always bears the signature of its maker. Number 2, a craftwork always bears the signature of its buyer. Number 3, a craftwork sometimes bears the signature of or its maker. Number 4, craftwork never bears the signature of its maker. Correct answer is a craftwork never bears the signature of its maker. Number 82. What does a craftwork cease to bear? Number 1, community aesthetics. Number 2, heritage of the community. Number 3, name of the maker. Number 4, motives. Correct answer, name of the maker. Number 83. What is the factor of a craftwork? Number 1, social values. Number 2, market. Number 3, human values. Number 4, creativity. Correct answer is number 2, market. Number 84. A Nakshikatha is number 1, an old Katha. Number 2, a new Katha. Number 3, a Katha with artistic design. Number 4, a very costly Katha. Correct answer is number 3, a Katha with artistic design. 85. Dash represent the way of life and a cultural flavor. Craftwork, music, art, Nakshikatha. Correct answer is craftwork. Number 86. The word consumer refers to a person who buys goods or uses services. Number 2, a seller who sells goods. Number 3, a shopkeeper. Number 4, a trader. Correct answer is a person who buys goods or uses services. Okay, then number 87. The closest meaning for community in line 15 is number 1, isolation. Number 2, all the people who live in particular area. Number 3, separated people. Number 4, coherence. Correct answer is number 2, all the people who live in a particular area. Number 88. The meaning of ingenuity in the line 4 is 1, restriction. 2, freedom of doing anything. 3, the ability of solving problems and to invent things. And number 4, originality. Correct answer is the ability of solving problems and to invent things. Number 89, the word creativity means number 1, formation of new things. Number 2, motivation, power. Number 3, technical skill. Number 4, having the skill and ability to produce new things. Correct answer is having the skill and ability to produce new things. Okay girls, number 90 here, there is a printing mistake, so I am also omitting this. Come to 91 number. The word craftwork refers to, and number 1, an extraordinary work. An extraordinary work. Number 2, a work done by a craftsman. Number 3, an artistic work done by a craftsman. A household work. Correct answer is an artistic work done. Here there is a printing mistake. B, only there is the letter B. It will be by a craftsman. Correct answer is an artistic work done by a craftsman. An artistic work done by a craftsman. Number 92. Which of the following is correct meaning of tactile? Number 1, tangible. Number 2, tangible. Number 3, amicable. Number 4, flexible. Correct answer is tangible. Number 93. The word motive in the passage refers to number 1, outcome. Number 2, intention. Number 3, function. Number 4, idea. Correct answer is number 4, idea. Okay girls, that's all. We have done many questions from MCQ in part 1 and in part 2. I think you can answer any questions that we will find in question paper. It will be easier for you. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss question answer from this passage. Okay, and then we will discuss flowchart, information table, etc. And we will also discuss about the fill in the gaps from this passage. Okay, this passage is very important for you, so all of you read the passage twice and try to solve the MCQ questions, and also try to solve the question answer that I will solve in the next class. Okay, thank you girls. Allah Hafiz.